Rock and roll, Mississippi's own Elvis Presley right here on WLEZ 100.1 on the FM side of your radio dial. You'll start off with I Need Your Love Tonight. Previously before that was I Got Stung, and you're listening to WLEZ 100.1. I'm done impersonating Elvis for now. Jay Long, say hi to everybody, Jay.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Everybody says hi back.
In our sleepy little town, let's listen in to another thrilling episode of The Dynamic Defender entitled One Bullet, Part 1.
Come in.
Mr. Williams.
What can I do for you?
I'm Special Agent Bob Kellogg with the Bureau of Secret Intelligence.
I've never heard of that.
We're a branch of the State Department. To be more specific, Secretary of State Henry Stimson sent me down here personally.
Oh?
We need your assistance.
To do what?
Do you keep up with world events?
As much as any other man.
Do you know what's going on in Finland?
Do I care?
You should. They're having a revolution over there right now.
Those episodes were so great because they were short, compact, concise, and yet they made you want to come back and
for the next, movie serials.
even better because they
love
made
those.
you want to come back and watch whatever they came up with next week. And if you watch those episodes, some of them are just they're bad, but they're so good you got to come back. ZFM.com anywhere in the world. All you have to do is log on to WLEZFM.com between 6 and 7 o'clock on Wednesdays, and you can hear another edition of the Dynamic Defenders. We'll be back with part 2 of our 2-part epic here tonight. And of course, we've got more tunes for you. Here's Elvis with Kentucky Rain.